Hello everyone. Today we have with us Sushma Kulkarni. Sushma has been a student of 360DigiTMG and she has done her BTech in civil engineering. That means she has a lot of scope in the space of real estate companies, in construction companies, in the big giants, etc. And while she worked with Q&A International in the space of global partnerships, she has undergone the training through 360 DigiTMG. Now she has entered into the field successfully as a data analyst and data scientist, right? She'll be doing data analytics predominantly, right? And she joined a company called as DataINFA as an associate consultant. Thank you so much, Sushma, for joining in. And the first question to you is, Sushma, a lot of people keep saying that you should be from computer science background to get into this field of data science. You have demystified that myth, and you, despite being from non-IT, non-technical background, got into this field of data. Right? That is in itself, achievement. What do you think is your perspective with respect to this? That people must be from, IT or computer science background. Yeah, Sushma, over to you.
So I would say, like, irrespective of maybe I'm from a different background, but data is everywhere, right? Like maybe in respect to the civil background, or maybe in the pharma background, or with respect to any background, but data is everywhere. So that's where we come in, right? Like we take in the data and we do some analysis, or maybe we use our data science skills as well to predict some of the things. Yeah, so irrespective of your background, so anyone could be a data science or a data analytics, I would say.
Absolutely wonderful,
Yes.
well positioned. And Sushma, how has your journey been? Why did you think about getting into this field, despite being from civil background? And what motivated you? How was your journey? Can you please explain us?
Okay. So you can, like, I could see, like, I was in a civil background. Yes, I was into a good company as well. So but over a period of time, everyone is moving towards this data science and AI. AI is everywhere. Like wherever you go, there is data science, there is AI, and I could see that everyone is moving towards that. So even at that time, I that's what I thought. So this is the time for me to upskill as well. So that's when I decided that I'll take a course on data science and AI, and that's when I chose 360DigiTMG. Yeah, that's how my journey started.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
And we are also doing a few projects with construction companies in the space of civil,
Mm-hmm.
right? And it's been a tremendous journey. People from mechanical background, people from electronics background, they are the
Yeah.
people who are working on construction related AI projects. So that means there is no longer a barrier saying that if you're from this background, you can do analytics in this space. There is no longer that barrier. Okay.
That's true, Perini. I agree with you.
Yeah. And the next question is, Sushma, you worked on a few of the projects with AiSPRY, right?
Correct,
How
correct.
was your journey with respect to that? And did you really enjoy? How did your learning help in the interview, if at all it did? Yeah.
Yes, definitely. I had a great experience working with 360 Digit MG and the AiSPRY, of course. So the team was very much like helpful. Like they were like this. This was something very new to me. But yeah, the projects that we have taken up are like very are real time projects, so that like I can relate it to how what is happening in the world, and how I can relate it to the real time. And also like when I come to the team, so they were very helpful, as I told, like for me to make like for me to understand the concepts of how it works, or maybe like the object, like the project. One project I would just like to talk about is, like, I have done project on object detection with the images and all. So like we usually go for the annotation, all of these things. Like even annotation was very something new to me, how we do that. So yeah, like we as a team, we did it together, and it was a very great experience to me going forward.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
And Sushma, one final question is, what will your advice be to all these students who are undergoing the training now?
Okay.
And
So
what will, just
Mhm.
completed. I mean, how should they gear themselves up to get into this field of data?
Okay. I would just say that don't limit yourself. Like there are a lot of opportunities out there. Just don't concentrate on like the big shot companies, not just Amazon, not just the Google, or like of course they are there, but there are a lot of companies which you can go forward and apply. Maybe try out like just for an example, like there is a this near to this 360 Digit MG in Bangalore office. You can see there are a lot of software companies that are there, and there are a lot of opportunities for the data science and AI/ML background as well. So just go around, just check for the companies. Maybe you might not find them like whenever you are applying. Like you find it in LinkedIn. Okay, you apply for jobs. Like you only find like get all the big shot companies there maybe, but these are the companies as well. Like there might be a startups which are very good companies, so you can just go and don't limit yourself, like approach to them, like contact the HR maybe. Yeah, this is how you get into, like you get an exposure to find new companies as well. So this is one thing I would just like to say. Yeah, but
Wonderful,
overall I
wonderful.
had a very great experience working with 360 Digit MG as well as the AiSPRY, and I would like to thank everyone there.
Thank you so much. There you go, friends. So Sushma is very clearly saying that don't limit yourself to only the well-known companies and the big brands, because data is everywhere. Data is in every company. So expand your horizon. Start applying on Naukri, Monster. Our job is to help you guys with the real-world exposure, and your job is to start applying for the jobs. Right.
True.
Thank you so much, Sushma. Do stay in touch, be part of the alumni community, and I'm sure you'll be helping our folks, the other folks, your juniors, I would say,
Sure, Bharani. I
get
would
a
just
job.
love to do that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best. Bye.
Yeah.